Welcome back. We're going to take a look at exercise 33 with the reflex angle. Hopefully you also watched the explanation video of 5.3 where I showed you what reflex angle is, so you can add it to your glossary list. They want us to now calculate not the, you could say the inside here of this angle, but the outside part, and the outside part is then called a reflex angle because it's between 180 and 360 degrees. And you can do this exercise in two different ways, and there's one I prefer, which I'm going to show you, which is I know that this whole thing here, right, if I'm going to take a look and say this whole angle like this is 360 degrees. And if I take out this part right here, this obtuse angle, then I have the reflex angle. So I can measure this obtuse angle, then do 360 minus, and I find the reflex angle. What you also could do, and totally okay as well, I'm going to do the other one, but what you could do is divide this angle up in two different parts. And then you see that this here is a straight angle. So you know that's 180 degrees, and you have to add this small acute angle here. So then you measure that acute angle, and if you then do the obtuse angle minus the acute angle, the straight angle plus the acute angle, then you find the reflex angle as well. Whichever floats your boat. What I'm going to do is the other way, so we know that the reflex angle, so you could say the reflex angle A is 360 minus the obtuse angle A. Okay, in that case let's put my 0 here. And what I'm going to do is then measure that obtuse angle. So 0 is here. Let's see if it's going to allow me to rotate. Luckily he does. Again, I have to line it out, align it with one of the other legs. If I do it like this, it seems accurate. It seems in my case it gives me 62. Wouldn't surprise me too much if the answer book says 60 right here. Again, this drawing program is not too accurate, but let's just do what it says. It says 62 degrees. Or, of course, the other one, which is actually more interesting because I think I need the other one. The other one is 128. Let's take a look. Oh, well, hello. Apparently, I'm doing it incorrectly, right? 60 is here, so it's 58. Or it is going to be 122. I'm very sorry. I think the answer book might say 60 or 120, but okay. This angle here is an obtuse angle, so it's not this one. It's 122 degrees. So angle A is in that case, or you can say reflex angle A, is going to be 360 minus 122. That's 238 degrees, which is indeed between 180 and 360. So that does add up. Again, I wouldn't be too surprised if the answer book says 240. Try to be as accurate as possible. I'm doing my best here with the tools that I have at hand. Okay. If you would have done the other way around, so you would have measured the straight angle here, that would be 180, and then you add this part here, which is then approximately 58 or 60 degrees if you measure that up. And then you find the same answer. Okay? Hopefully this helps you out. Bye bye.